Did you know that you get all different types of welding in a fabrication and engineering workshop? Well, come with me as I show you behind the scenes at Techco Power Engineering. Starting off strong, we begin with CO₂ welding. CO₂ welding is one of the most popular welding processes used in engineering workshops. By using a continuously fed wire and shielding gas, it creates strong, clean, and reliable welds that form the backbone of many fabrication products. Did you know the welding arc generated during CO₂ welding can reach temperatures exceeding 6,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun? Another interesting fact is that CO₂ welding is known for its speed and efficiency, making it ideal for manufacturing large structures and production work where both strength and productivity are essential. From simple steel assemblies to complex engineering projects, CO₂ welding is often the first step in bringing raw materials together and transforming them into finishing products. Next up, we have stick welding in action. Stick welding, also known as shielded metal arc welding, is one of the oldest and most trusted welding methods in the engineering industry. Known for its strength, versatility, and reliability, it is commonly used on heavy steel structures and in demanding working environments. Did you know stick welding can be performed outdoors, even in windy conditions, where many other welding processes may struggle? When strength and reliability matters most, stick welding remains a go-to process for fabrications all around the world, helping create structures built to withstand the toughest conditions. Moving on, we have TIG welding, the art of precision welding. TIG welding, short for tungsten insert gas welding, is known for producing some of the cleanest, strongest, and most visual appealing welds in the industry. It is commonly used on stainless steel, aluminium, and high precision engineering components where quality is crucial. Did you know TIG welding gives the welder complete control over the weld, allowing for incredible, precise and detailed work on even the thinnest materials? Another interesting fact is, unlike many other welding processes, TIG welding does not produce spatter, resulting in cleaner welds and less post-weld cleaning. TIG welding is often used in industries such as food processing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, and high-end fabrication, where weld quality and appearances are essential. When precision, appearance, and strength are required, TIG welding stands out as one of the most skilled and respected welding processes in the engineering world. As we reach the final welding stage of this project, we finish off with stainless steel stick welding. This process is used to create strong corrosion-resistant welds on stainless steel components, ensuring the finished product is built to withstand demanding environments while maintaining its strength and appearance. Did you know stainless steel contains chromium, which forms a protective layer on the surface, helping to resist rust? Another interesting fact is that welding stainless steel requires careful control and the correct electrodes to maintain the material's properties and ensuring a high-quality weld. The final fact, but not least, stainless steel is widely used in food, chemical, and processing industries because of its durability, hygiene, and resistance to harsh environments. With the final stainless steel weld complete, the fabrication process is one step closer to becoming a finished engineering solution, showcasing the precision, skill, and craftsmanship behind every project at Techco Power Engineering.